Yo, what up guys? I'm here with some more extraordinary tech. My name is Buchanan. I'm here with the Windows Surface Pro. This thing is unbelievably awesome. I'm obsessed. Some really cool features I love is it's a laptop plus a tablet. All you have to do is press a button and the top detaches. It's pretty sick. It's really fast actually, if you didn't think it would be. And yeah, it's just a great laptop overall. The screen is super clear, really high definition. And you can buy this little pen, stylus pen, it's optional. I'm by no means an artist, but I did my best. This is Napa Valley. TechTheLead logo. Put my little signature on it. Make it my own, you know? Napa CA. Done. Work of art. I think I could sell this for like $1,000 bucks. What do y'all think?